Hi, good evening, everyone. So let me just first welcome the speakers here. So, Ms. Tuhita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Ms. Tuhita. Hearty welcome to the session here. So, Mr. Ankit, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Ankit. Hearty welcome to the session. And let us see the resource person and additional speaker, Mr. Bhagwati. Are you here?
Yes, Ms. Deepa, I am here.
Thank you for your great response, and pleasure to see you all here. And a special hearty welcome to the audience specifically who are here with an expectation that they are going to learn something, as well as they are going to carry out something for their business expansion as well as business development. So a special welcome to you all, and I assure on behalf of the organization that this session is going to be really special and add on to your business as well as to your organization. All right, so altogether now the speakers are ready here. So let me just quickly go back to the introduction part of our organization. So what is this Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is doing? So first, let me just explain you that. Basically, Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is into 4 different sectors. It is Buttricks, CRM, a customer relationship management, and AP for every business solutions. And we are into Tally Prime, Tally ERP 9, which is now converted to Tally Prime, accounting software now, which is used for all kind of business processes also. And the next is a Skill India, specifically concerned for the students' education and concerned for the employment of the children's education as well as, so it is a government project. And the next is we are into SAP Business One, basically, which is targeted for the large and medium scale industries, and it is again a key for every business solutions and many different ways, I could say. All right, so apart from this, in this pandemic scenario, we added up certain sectors, that is I can say a backup software specifically to work from anywhere and everywhere. So we are into a backup software, that is auto backup software as well as Acronis. So shortly we are going to already we started working, but in a specific way, I can say that a big lot is going to be happen from our organization. So this is what we are into basically. Yes, I played around with software name, but now it is very important that we are supposed to know that what we do exactly. Yes, coming back to that, basically we are into sales. After sales, we are into support, and after support, we are into solution provider, as well as we are into customization specifically for your organization, your working style, working sector. We are into customize the product also. Beyond this, we are into advisory service. What is this advisory service? Of course, there is a very big question mark. All right, let me come back here. Advisory service is nothing but a special service wherein we step into your organization, into your organization, and we just support you to balance your organization. If you are stuck into any kind of situation and scenario, we just step ahead, we hold your hands, and we find a solution over there. So this is what an advisory service is all around. Basically, we find a solution for any kind of problem and opportunity and uplift your business and the solutions. This is what we exactly do. And this is what we are into. So all the softwares is interlinked with all the organizations. So it's very important to select the right software onto the right time. So that is what we analyze. That is what Rajlakshmi analyzes. And yes, different and unique makes us anywhere and everywhere. This is true. That is what I said altogether. We are unique and we are different, and we support you guys just to rock your business and flexibly work from anywhere and everywhere. All right, this is what we do now. I think things are very clear here. What is Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited? Okay, and beyond this, let me just help you out. All right, I have a message here. So am I audible? Is there any distraction in my voice?
No, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you for your feedback. Yeah. All right. So this is what we do exactly. And now coming back to few instructions before going to the topic, let me just give you a few instructions. Firstly, we will be like regularly updating the different videos of different softwares that will be very, very much useful and which will support your day-to-day working style as well as working. So for that, you are supposed to subscribe our YouTube channel. The link has been already added in the comment box. So request you to please check out the link and do subscribe our channel. And apart from this, I must say you that we are into all the social media and we are working effectively into the digital marketing as well as digital media. So do subscribe our channel and follow our channel to know complete offers. Rajlakshmi is running up continuously one or the other offer every week onto specific product. We are giving value to all the products. So in accordance to that, request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow all the different sectors of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited, wherein you can analyze the work level also, that is through the feedback, customers' feedback, and as well as I must tell you that you can understand exactly what offer goes on, what is the market demand, and how you can develop your business. And let me just tell you one very important thing. We are open for business exposures and we are open to give a business exposures also. There might be many owners here. There are, rather than might, I could say, there are many business owners here, as well as I must say, there are many people who are looking for a good exposure. So Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is here just to support you onto that. So do connect us. The contact details has been submitted in the comment box. And the next thing is, if you have any questions or any doubts onto presentation today, first initially we will be giving you a presentation of Bittrex CRM, and then later we will be going live demo. We will show you the software, how it works and what is there in the software. So this is what we are going to do today. So on to this, if you get any doubt or any questions in between, request you to please update a question in the comment box. We are here to read out the comments as well as we will just give you a solution there itself. So that's it from my end. So now it's over to Ms. Duhita. Ms. Duhita is a presentation presenter. So Ms. Duhita, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, Ms. Duhita. Happy to see you here. Ms. Duhita, give your introduction first and then you can run your presentation. And then later, let us move ahead with the demo. All right? Okay. So it's completely over to you, Ms. Duhita. Yes, please.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good evening to everyone. Myself, Duhita Thakur, and I am representing as a Rajlakshmi Solutions. And today we are going to discuss about the Bittrex 24 software. And now we are going to share my screen and we will discuss about PPTs. Okay. First, we will, what is a Bittrex 24? Just describe some points over there. Bittrex is a collaboration software, means we can easily tool management over there, and we can use easily as an internal employee communication also and external communication also. We can use Bittrex 24. Bittrex 24 is nothing but unified platform. We can use as a one platform for files, projects, messages, tasks and projects and contacts. Means Bittrex 24 having the 45 tools inbuilt. We can use all 45 tools we can use over there. With Bittrex 24 we can use as any of business, small business, big business. We can use Bittrex 24 of our requirement. Okay, now we are going to start of my presentation. Bittrex 24 is running all around the world. More than 8 lakhs people are using this Bittrex 24 software. In Bittrex 24, nothing but 16 data centers, 600 servers, and 99% availability of this software. And this Bittrex 24 is highly supportive software. We can use as many clients over there. Client supports, conversation over months, 2 minutes average response time. Means these are the features we can use easily Bittrex 24 software in our company. Okay. Next thing, that is Bittrex 24 is a complete business automation software with 35 tools on board. Means these 35 tools using, we can easily use Bittrex 24 software. These are the main points we are discussing over your sites. First, that is undergo digital transformation. We can use easily, replace multiple tools with one more solutions over there. Means these are the features of Bittrex 24. For example, CRM, task, projects management, video calls, email, marketing, all these things we can explain one by one. This is a short overview over here. We can see here. First, that is Bittrex 24. These are the main features of Bittrex 24. Means we can use virtual office using Bittrex 24, task and projects, CRM, contact center, sites and stores. These are the main features of Bittrex 24. We can use easily and we can run your business as easily. Okay, then one by one we can describe these features easily. Okay, first, that is virtual office. Means you can always stay in touch at home, in office or on to go. Means using cloud Bittrex we can run our business in virtually. Okay, collaboration using that knows no onboards. Okay, these are the features of Bittrex. HD video calls, chat, post and comments, online documents, calendar, work groups and extranet, work time tracking, work reports, cloud storage and workflow automation. Means these are the features of Bittrex 24 we can use easily and we can run easily. Employee time management, which is the features of Bittrex 24, just like HRMS software. In HRMS software like this, in Bittrex 24 we can manage the online time clock. Means clock in and clock out features are available in Bittrex 24. Also we can see the absent charts. Means particular employee absent chart we can see in Bittrex 24. Shift schedules, we can manage the shift schedules over there. Task time tracking, means which are the tasks particular employee, how much time it spends, is using task time tracking. It's used in HRMS software that is provided by the Bittrex employee time management. Calendar features also provide the Bittrex 24. In that we have the many features of calendar. First, what is personal, group and company calendars over there. We can also organize the invitation. We can schedule the invitation. Also, we can flexible access rights to the particular employee. And this calendar can be two-way synchronization available for Outlook and Google Calendar. We can easily use these features of using the calendar features in Bittrex 24. These are the main features of work reports. Means just like this HRMS software we can use this as a work reports. We are saying the particular employee, this basis on this daily, weekly, monthly basis we can see the employee reports. As per these reports can be customizable as per your requirement. You can customize this report. This report can be accept, decline, rate reports from your employee. Means you can be set as a positive report, can be negative report. We also comment that report. You can easily manage the work reports of particular employee. And there is one more features, that is automatic reminder and notification. We can set the work time reports in Bittrex 24. That is one more important features, means HD video calls and conferencing. These HD video calls we can internal employee also, and also we can invite the external users in your invitation. Okay, in that there are 24 participants we can participate 24 participants in HD video calls and conferencing. There is no time limits of this conferencing. In that conferencing having features like call recording, custom backgrounds and screen sharing. That is important point. Screen sharing, we can share your screen and we can manage our conferencing. for that is next, that is task and projects. We can manage our task and projects of our company using the task and projects features, which is important. Every company having many projects and many tasks. We can manage these projects as internal projects or external projects. We can manage these tasks and projects in Bittrex 24. These are the project management features. Here we are describing. In project management, we can create one project and we can manage the many tasks over that. We can easily run project in our Bittrex 24. These are the features of project management. First, that is we can create multiple tasks in projects, that is a work groups, time tracking, line management, permission and roles, external user. We can invite in external user in project management. Also, we can design the template in project management. Also, there is a recurring task, subtasks and dependency, resource management, billable hours, mind map app, and this is the apps of tasks and projects. We can application, we can download this application and we can use easily this project management features in having Bittrex. Next, that is we can manage the task planning as per our company requirement. Means there are 4 types of views: list view, Gantt view, Kanban view, calendar view, and deadline view. In list view, there is a list of tasks where there are showing. In Gantt view, there is a visualization of your graph like tasks are showing. In Kanban view, there is a Kanban view showing the different tasks in different stages we can create in Kanban view. In calendar view, there is a calendar over there and which time and which date we can manage this task as already showing. Means we can plan this task. For example, so many days we can manage. Earlier we can manage this task in calendar view. We can also set the deadline in particular task and management. Then particular employee, it's showing it's today is a deadline for that task. Then we can complete this task and finish this task. These are the features of task planning in project management in Bittrex 24. Next, that is important parts, which is a Bittrex 24, that is provide the CRM, that is nothing but a CRM, customer relationship management, which is a powerful lead generator and mighty sales increaser. Means you have using this CRM, your business can be run using, sales can be increased using the CRM. Okay, these are the main features of Bittrex 24. In 5 essential components using your successful sales. Means these are components we can easily manage your sales of your company. First, that is contact center, CRM marketing, CRM analytics, sales intelligence. Means these are the main functions, essential components of your successful sales of your company or your running business in your company. One by one we can elaborate these points. First, that is generation of leads. Means these are the generation of leads. We can generate these leads using these features. Okay. First, that is email. We can generate leads using email, telephony, SMS, chatbots, callback widget, website live chat, social networks like Facebook and Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, web chat, Telegram, and many more. Website forms, Facebook leads ads, form builder. Means these are the functions. Using this we can integrate this in your contact center and also in email, also telephony. Also we can generate many leads using the Bittrex 24. Organize and management leads. Means after generating the leads we can manage easily using the leads. Means that is a raw leads we are saving in a leads part. After it's going to the deal, means it confirm the business, then it convert to the deals and it create a contacts and create a company in your Bittrex database. It's automatically created when leads on, it goes to the deal and convert into contact and company. These features we can see in using the set all automations over there. We can set the pipeline management. We can set our many pipeline over there using the Bittrex 24 software. These are the features. Means quotation, invoices, lead deal routing rules, access rights. We can set the access permission over here for particular department wise, user wise. We can set the access permission over there, which is an important part in every company. That is a management of access permission, and that is 30 plus vertical CRM solution. We can manage every as per your company requirement. We can set the automation using this CRM, leads, deals, contacts, and company behalf of this. Turn leads into the customer, means these are the segments we are seeing over there. We can create these segments as per our company requirements. These are the pipeline like structure. We can set the sales funnels and tunnels we can set over there. This behalf of this client based segmenting, email marketing, voice broadcasting, sales marketing automation, ad campaign, 40 rules and triggers for Facebook AdWords. These are the marketing features. We can marketing our customers to using these tools. Ad agency report, Facebook lookalike audience, means these are the CRM marketing features which is provided by the Bittrex. We can easily marketing of our business, then customer get in touch with using the CRM marketing. Analyze customer, means how we can analyze our customer data and sales reports. This is the important features, means it in one dashboard we can see the everything over there. That is CRM analytics. In CRM analytics there are so many tabs over there. We can one time we can see multiple customers of data, multiple employee of data, individual performance. All these things we can see at a one dashboard. Just click on the CRM analytics and Bittrex 24 software. It easily see the real-time sales data, historical data comparison, sales targets, means we can set the sales targets of a particular employee. Then easily its employee getting the targets of the particular month wise, weekly wise. We can easily set the sales target. That is important part in Bittrex 24. There is also important part, that is sales plan quota, CRM analysis by property, detailed customer reports for CRM entities. Means these are the structure. We can see the easily of graph wise structure, how many leads are won, how many leads are pending. These are the structure we can see easily in CRM analytics. Get amazing customers insights and sales idea, means in our company if having any ideas, we can design this idea using the track all your advertising online or offline. We can manage our idea using the CRM analytics. Also we are having the ad group analysis, calculated marketing ROI, means what are the features we are installing, WhatsApp, Facebook, all these communications over there, what are the channels are we are integrating. All these reports we can easily see in CRM marketing. Also we can see the automatic and manual express uploading, sales process visualization, to know exactly which traffic sources and campaign generate most sales, means easily we can see the all the graphical view over there at one click of CRM analytics, which is provided by the Bittrex 24. CRM store, which is an important part. We can publish the CRM store in Bittrex 24. Using this CRM store, we can take, process and order remotely, means in that we can manage the order on your website, phone, email, Facebook, Instagram, and your CRM. It gets automatically converted into the CRM, and this leads your clients to purchase, means these leads move your leads to purchase funnels and all the way awareness of purchase, means easily we can publish this CRM store in our website, and this can easily manage our business. There is an important part, means payment part. We can create this order, send payment to the customer, and then accept payment via built-in CRM terminal, means order get confirmed and order get paid. After that it's showing in a CRM of using the CRM store. Contact centers, means we can integrate the contact center application. So many application we can integrate using application tab, and this application we can see in contact center. Contact center having, we can integrate so many application like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. All these application we can easily integrate in application, and then leads comes into the CRM automatically using the open channel settings over there, and then leads comes into the contact center automatically. Contact centers, these are the features of contact centers, means live chat we can integrate, social media messenger like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, SMS, telephony, reports and statistics, clients help text, CRM and marketing automation. Using this contact center, we can integrate all this application. We can also see the conversation history over there, which channel having which communication, conversation statistic also there. We can date, time, we can check all this conversation, what time it will be happen. We can check easily using the contact center application. We can use easily in contact center. Every application we can download and integrate. This application can be seen here in contact center. Bittrex 24 telephony, which is the important parts. We can integrate Bittrex telephony in our CRM. We can integrate using, these are the features of Bittrex telephony, that is cloud telephony also over there, rent a number, and we can also applications over there, many application of telephony. You can integrate this application into your Bittrex 24 CRM. And these are the telephony features. First one, that is a virtual number rental, call routing, call recording, voicemail, IVR, VoIP setup, call forwarding, call intercept, call rating, SIP connection for your own PBX. These are the features of telephony. These are the features having in telephony Bittrex 24. Also we can see the call details over there, which calling having, what time, and all these statistics showing here in telephony application in Bittrex 24. There is a Bittrex provide the API, that is Bittrex 24. It's open API. We can integrate telephony using this API, and we are having the telephony partner, that is Samcom Tech Technologies, which are integrating the telephony in our Bittrex 24. These sites and stores, which is the important parts, we can publish our sites and store using the Bittrex 24, create our beautiful websites, and coding skills required. No coding skills required, means just like a web page or website we can design using the Bittrex 24. We can manage these Bittrex 24 sites easily, and these are the features of Bittrex 24. Here we can see that is the features of Intuitive, easy to use website builder, pre-made industry specific template, free forms, chat widgets, Google Analytics, SEO ready, free hosting and custom domain, fully responsive design optimized for a mobile devices, integrated with Bittrex 24. Means these are the features. We can easily manage our website, stores and landing pages, and easily we can publish this website using the Bittrex 24. E-commerce, we can publish this e-commerce using the Bittrex 24 sites. Means we can create order or inventory management tools using the e-commerce sites. These are the features of e-commerce, that is ready to made e-shops templates. Means there is having the ready-made template. We can select just template and we can design our website and publish these websites in using this Bittrex 24. Include the product catalog with SKU, integrate with Bittrex 24 CRM, SEO ready, mobile friendly. Means these websites can be mobile friendly, and we can easily publish these websites using the Bittrex 24 CRM. Bittrex 24 having the mobile app, which is the most important part. This mobile app we can use easily anywhere and everywhere. We can use the mobile app Bittrex 24. These are the features of bringing people together, and we can use anywhere or everywhere this Bittrex 24 mobile app. These are the features of mobile application we can use in mobile. These are the features which is provided by the mobile application. These are ideal for working from home, on to go, tasks, chats, documents at your fingerprints. We can easily mobile friendly video calls, conferencing, follow task process, get project updates and notification. These are the features we can easily use in mobile app, and we can easily use these features also. There is one more option, that is schedule these meetings and events using the mobile apps. Also we can use the post news, write comments and follow your team updates over there. We can easily use these features in mobile app, and we can easily handle all these features in Bittrex 24 mobile app. But there is a wait. Here is the most important parts we are discussing now. These are the Bittrex 24 cloud version plans. These are the plan basis on the user, and we can purchase this plan using the Bittrex 24 features. Okay, these are the plans. First, that is free plans. It is a unlimited user for a 30 days plan. Okay, then after that, Start Plus plan, CRM Plus plan, Project Plus plan, Standard and Professional, that is unlimited user. Means these are the plan basis on the user. Start plans for the 2 user, CRM Plus plan for the 6 user, Project plan, that is a 24 user, Standard plan having the 50 user, Professional plan, that is unlimited user. Means every plan having different process over there, and we can use easily this Bittrex 24 apps as per your company business. We can use easily, and we can purchase this plan as per our requirement. Okay, that is one more important part. On-premise edition means Bittrex 24 also can available in on-premise edition. In on-premise edition, we can use this. Having this Bittrex 24 on-premise edition, it is having the source code access. We can get the source code access over there. It is a fully customizable on-premise edition. We can customize as per our company requirement. That is features of on-premise version. We can explain over there. First, that is on-time fee, API access, Active Directory integration, Linux, Windows, Mac servers. Means this edition on-premise working on the Linux, Windows and Mac server operating systems. Also, it's Amazon and Azure ready. Quick deployment, works with the mobile and desktop also. We can use this on-premise edition easily, and we can all these features customize easily. These are the Bittrex 24 on-premise editions plans, that is Bittrex 24 CRM, Business and Enterprise. These are the plans as per users level. These are the different users plan having. For example, if you are having 12 users, then you purchase the Bittrex 24 CRM. If you are having business plan, if you are having the 50 user, 100 user, 250 user, 500 user, as per your company employees requirement, then we can purchase the business plan on-premise edition. Also, that is one more part, that is enterprise edition also for Bittrex 24 on-premise edition, basis on the 1000 user, 5000 users and unlimited user. This is the plans of Bittrex 24 on-premise edition. We can use and we can purchase this as per our company business, company employee structure. We can easily use this Bittrex 24 software. Thank you for giving me time and hearing my presentation. And this is a Bittrex 24, all these things we are discussing now.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rohita. It was really pleasure seeing your presentation. And yes, I can assure that the people who are new to Bittrex would have got a very good exposure and would understood what this Bittrex software is all about. I'm sorry. All right. So as we can see that we saw the presentation of Bittrex, now it is the moment or it's the time wherein we are supposed to see the live demo, how the software looks and how flexible it is to work. So Mr. Ankit, it's completely over to you now. So people are curious to see the software. The people who are onto the first time are really very curious to see the software, how the visibility is and as well as how flexible you can work on it too. So it's over to you, Mr. Ankit, so you can go for the live demo.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your time. So this is Ankit here. Currently I'm representing Raj Lakshmi firm, Bittrex team, and I'm going to do the live demo of Bittrex 24. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible, Mr. Ankit.
Yes. Okay. So as you can see, this is the Bittrex dashboard. On the left hand side, as you can see, there are 45 tools which we are going to see. Okay, in the middle there is a Facebook dashboard wherein you can do a mass communication with your employees. Like you can wish your employees happy birthday, whose birthday is coming. You can post about what is going on currently, give updates, give newsletters to your employee. Okay, have appreciated your employees from here itself, post messages from here itself. Okay, put some events to your employer, like today we have an event and we have posted about it. Okay, get some questions, get some views from your employees by polling. Okay, to get some questions, get some polls. Okay, moreover, you can appreciate, you can post some files, you can make announcements, and you can work different kind of workflows. Let's talk about workflows. Every company has a different kind of workflow. Let's say leave approval, general expense request, okay, a specific expense request, business trip approval, okay, then reconciliation and all those stuff. So over here we can create different kinds of report, we can create new workflows, we can create new reports as per your need to work through it, to work your all the environment, to work your office environment on cloud itself. Okay, on the right hand side, as you can see, we can invite employees from here, new users. We can see what are the employees who are online right now, who are clocked in and who are clocked out. I would request you to clock in. Okay, what are the current tasks that I have been assigned, or what are the current tasks that I have assigned to others? I have assigned 2 tasks to others. I've completed all my tasks. I am 0 assisting in the task, and I'm currently following no task. Okay, upcoming birthdays in this month, and upcoming birthdays, okay, within a month. You can also download the desktop application. I'm seeing application right now. Okay, there's a desktop application for Bittrex in Mac OS, in Windows, and also in Linux. Also, we have a mobile application for Android and iOS both. Over here we can check what is in day-to-day company scenario. We can check the company pulse, like how the company is working, what is going on the company right now. Okay, this is the current company, how the company is processing right now. Okay, hourly basis wise, as you can see, there are 25 columns, 24 columns as per the hour base, and you can see which person and how much activity was happened in which hour. The most activity happened at 2 p.m. Okay, these are all the calls and chat which we have done in day, all the tasks which has been activated in a day. Okay, all the drive uploadation and usage. Okay, mobile app usage and CRM based usage. Okay, we can also check this on daily, weekly, monthly, yearly wise. Okay, we can see the activity rate. Okay, we can see who has generated how much, as in the employee who is at top most, who has done the most work today. Okay, also we can see individual employee wise, the person wise. Okay, this is my activity for today. Let's say employee. Okay, so you can see the employee wise, the Anaga ma'am's all the stuff that she has done. She is the most active person right now at 2 p.m. Okay, this can also be seen in daily, weekly, yearly wise, monthly wise. Okay, coming to the internal communication of our firms. Okay, internal communication plays a massive amount of role, as we communicate a lot internally for the growth of the company. So you can communicate with your person, the person you want to communicate with, or you want to take files and all those stuff with on Bittrex itself. You can do a mass communication, as in the group communication or individual employee communication. Okay, over here, as you can see. Okay, the group communication, all the work from home team, we are communicating from here itself. And all the financial, let's say a different department can create their own group and talk in there, like the financial department has created their own group, and we can create a whole company group who is currently active, and so they can be aware of what's going in our firm, right? So this, as you can see, the work from home group, the financial team, and different kind of work groups have been created. Okay, then there's a task and project management, which is allotting, which plays a massive amount of role in the firm, as every person has a specific task to perform every single day. Okay, so they have to create their task, work on it. From here we can track how much time they are putting in, and how much effort they are putting in their work. Okay, and also track are they active or not. Okay, then there are drive all the files and documents are at the same place where everyone has access, or a limited person or file can have access to all the person, or also a limited person too, right? So there's a company drive where you can upload the files, so the file are safe and available to everyone. No hectic thing to search the file in the drawers, right? Okay, as moving forward, we have also a calendar where you can schedule all the meetings and see the other person's what is their schedule, so that we can work towards it. You can integrate webmail for a simpler going in the Matrix and working from a single platform itself. So it is easy to communicate from here itself. So you can integrate webmail from your email ID and send mails and receive mail from here itself. Okay. Moving forward, let's go to CRM, one of the mail tools that we provide. Okay. Moving forward to CRM, we have a contact center. So in CRM, mostly we look forward to creation of the lead, deal, and management of our client resources. Okay, so contact center is a place where your lead comes in, the raw data comes in from various type of centers. Let's say Facebook, WhatsApp, messengers, okay, then Instagram, webmail, telephony, as in the call services, okay. Let's say Apple Business Chats, live chats, website wizards, that or website form which you have posted on your website. Okay, all the things. These are all the things and many more things upcoming which are integrated with Bitrix, and we can create leads through it. You can receive leads through it if any person contacts you, or any person contacts you from his site, for the business, or searching for a resource from you. So it is possible from here. You can also integrate your ads and all those stuff from here itself. You can see the conversations of the people which are ongoing right now. Okay, all the conversation which are ongoing with the people. So you can see like WhatsApp, and all the conversation, live chat, and all the conversation which has been happening. Okay. Let's move forward to the website wizard. I will just give a quick view. This is our website, and we have posted a website wizard from Bitrix over here. As you can see, we will click on it. All the things which are integrated in our contact center is available over here, as in Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, VK, Telegram, and live chat, callback form, inquiry form. Okay, if anyone fills the form, we will get an inquiry of the person. Okay, and it will be created as a lead, and we have to work on it. Okay. Moving forward, this was an inbound lead. If you want to do an outbound lead, let's say you have to perform a marketing to create leads to attract customer. Okay, so you can do email marketing, SMS marketing, messenger marketing, as in Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and different kind of all the messenger that you have integrated. You can do voice broadcasting, audio calling. Giving a quick view of email campaign. Just a second. You can create n numbers of templates. Like we have created one in Bitrix itself. So you would have seen this template. Okay. This is created from Bitrix and also sent from Bitrix itself. Okay. So we are operating 100% from Bitrix. Okay. Two different kinds of customers that we have, as you can see, all the recipients, okay, for Bitrix, also with all the datas and all the things that we require to put in. Okay, also you can see how many people saw the marketing. Okay, how many people it was sent to, all the recipient, all the people, how many people clicked on it, how many people viewed it. Okay, so it was viewed by 2001 people. Okay, it was sent to this many people, error was caused, and different kind of how many people unsubscribed. It is also seen how many people unsubscribed, all the people and all the resources that has been used by ourselves. Okay, moving forward to CRM. After doing all the marketing and getting an inquiry from different sources, it all lands in CRM lead part. Okay, so giving a quick overview of lead deal contact company. Lead is where we verify the data of the customer to know that the customer really exists or the data is really correct. Okay, because if the data is wrong, then doing business with the customer is very hard. Okay, while the verification, after the verification of the data, the lead gets successful and it goes to deal, where we crack a deal with the customer to know what he wants, what actually his requirement is, then provide the quotation, provide invoice, add products, and give all the necessary requirements to the client. And while the verification of the lead, it get updated to the contact and the company. Okay, giving a quick overview, I will just add a lead. Okay, I just add a test lead. Okay, let's create name. Okay, add an email ID to is your and let's add a company. Okay. And let's add a phone number. If there's a match found, then it will show, okay, that the match has been found. Okay, but let's create it. Okay, just a second. Okay, save. No. Okay, the lead has been created. Okay, after the lead has been created, it will assign to a responsible person. In this case, I am the responsible person. If the demo has been done, or we are waiting for the details, we normally wait for the details. When we receive a detail, we move forward. We can wait. We can put wait. The customer has said, please contact me after 2 days or something like that. We can set a timer and we can wait for the customer. Okay, we can create a chart for specific lead. Okay, you want to add through 2-3 internal employees for a specific lead, you can add so. Okay, have a healthy conversation for the lead. Okay, you can send Zoom integration, Zoom meeting link to the customer from here itself. You can add a call, what you want to talk, or you had a call, you can add a call from here itself. You can add subject, or you want to call to the person. Okay, let's say you want to schedule a call for the person for next 2 days. Okay, so you can schedule a call, so it will give you a reminder that you have to call this person at this moment of time, so you don't miss any update. Okay, you can send SMS to your client from here itself. You can enter the message and send the client. You can mail the customer from here itself. As you can see, already the mail ID has been taken, which I have entered. Okay, also you can create ticket and task for the customer here itself. Okay, as you can see, it will be get joined by itself, CRM test. Okay, and many more things. Okay, after that, while going through all the process, when we complete the lead, okay, we get an option to create lead deal contact company. Okay, deal contact company, as in you will save the company also, the name, the contact person, and you will create a deal to crack a deal with them. Okay, if you just want to save the contact, you will just save the contact and crack a deal, and so on. Okay, after clicking on it, it will appear something like that. Okay, let's take a live deal in picture. Okay, it will go on a pipeline. It will go in deal part, as we can see. Okay, we have entered the data. All the data has been entered, Mr. Sharma. Okay, this was created on 18th. all the communication, as you can see, all the communication which has been happened with Mr. Sharma is over here. Even the link that has been sent from Zoom is in our database. Okay, so the maintaining of the lead deal contact company is to know what is going on in the firm is really important. All the outgoing mail, incoming mail, okay, and all the scheduled calls are been here itself. As you can see, it is scheduled for 21st December. Okay, the product has been added for Mr. Sharma. As you can see, he is talking about 2 years cloud. Okay, quotation has been sent to Mr. Sharma from here itself. Okay, quotation has been created from here itself and has been sent to Mr. Sharma. I will just show you. Okay, it has been created from here itself for all the time. Okay, just a second. Okay, then invoice can be also be created from here itself and sent. Okay, if you want. Then there are various kind of automation running behind. Okay, so as you can see, all the ticks are the automation which has been run. Okay, and Mrs. Sharma is on the demo mode right now. We can also have a healthy conversation on WhatsApp from Bitrix itself. We have one platform for all the communication in your firm. If you're talking about WhatsApp, we have WhatsApp. If you are talking about email, we have email. So as you can see, this is the conversation that we had with Mr. Sharma on WhatsApp. Okay, so there's no way that anyone can say that this went wrong, or I contacted him on WhatsApp and he didn't reply, because he would be contacting from Bitrix itself. We have all the data securities. Okay, then contact company, all the data of Mr. Sharma has been saved in contact also. Okay, and his company has been connected with his contact. Okay, let's take a look at company and contact. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, this is a company. Okay, this company would be connected to a specific client, right? So it is connected with Mr. Maru. Okay, and so as you can see, the hierarchy of company can also be managed. Like this is the firm is associated with the person to whom we are contacting in that firm. Okay, so you can see whom we are contacting, and everything about the company is over here itself. Who is the responsible person who bought this company in our firm is also over here itself. Okay, so all in all, this was CRM. But as we can see now, the main part comes in where you can see all the analytics of the company, contact, lead, deal. Okay, we can see all the intel lead which are going on in our firm, all the leads which are going on, all the responsible person, where it stands, how much is the lifespan of the lead. Okay, how much amount, which person has how much leads, and who has conversion rate, what is the conversion rate of the person, which are the intel leads as in the raw data, and which are the repeated leads. Okay, which have came repeatedly. Okay, in the sales we can see the conversion part, okay, of the deal, of the lead from lead to the deal, and how many days it takes, what is the lifespan of the deal. Okay, which person has how many conversion rate, how many they have lost, how many they have won. Okay, this is an individual team. Okay, we can set a sales plan, as in this person has to do this much of the sale, or that person has to do this much of the sale. So we can set the sales plan for the individual employee. Okay, we can sell for a month, quarter wise, yearly wise, half yearly wise. Okay, also it can be set for a pipeline, or the number for the total sales as in the amount, or the deal wise. The target can be viewed as a pipeline, okay, company wide and the employee wide. Okay, there are various kinds of analysis over here. You can see all the leads which are coming in, sales trend, which person is bringing how many leads over here. You can see over here itself. Okay, and you can compare it with the last year, or if you want to compare it weekly wise, you can set the comparison from the admin access. You can do that. Okay, as I'm not the admin or in the top of the hierarchy, I can't see for the data security purpose. Okay, we can also compare employees. Okay, we can see the client management, which client is coming, which are the regular client and which are the top grossing clients. Okay, from here itself. Okay, sales intelligence, I can see all the ROIs. Okay, where the traffic is most coming from. Okay, where is the most activity done, from where the most deal has been created. Okay, over here itself. Okay, this is the traffic report where we can see which employee is bringing how many traffic on Bittrex itself. Okay, also we can see our activity. We can create different kind of dashboards, like you can see over here. Okay, this is the dashboard created of my activities. Okay, so over here we can see all the Telegram, Skype and all those activities which we have done, and we can customize this dashboard as per your want. Okay, so dashboard is also customizable. We have different kind of dashboards over here. All the graphical and visual dashboard is possible in Bittrex. Okay, moving on from the analysis, we also have different kind of tools as we have seen in the PPT done by Ms. Devika. Moreover, looking forward towards let's say expansion of Bittrex. Okay, we don't stop over here. We have an open API. Okay, as you can see in developer resources, we have an open API. We can get data and we can push our data into Bittrex and also extract data from Bittrex. Let's say you want to integrate a different CRM, a whole different CRM, or let's say you want to integrate a different platform to Bittrex so that you can exchange data. Okay, so you can do that from here itself because we have an open API. Okay, so every single thing is integrable with Bittrex. Okay, if you have a plan, if the service provider is providing you an API, so you can integrate it with Bittrex and get data from there itself. Okay, so as you can see, we can, let's say, telephone. Okay, you have a telephonic provider. He want to integrate the telephony in Bittrex itself. Okay, so let's add. He can, if he's not getting a reference or he has a doubt, he can download the examples. Okay, and he can work on it. It is Bittrex has made that thing really simple for the developers itself to work with Bittrex and expand. Okay. We have knowledge base, online stores, data security purposes, and for moreover, every smallest things that you really want your firm to do and interact with your customer. Okay, so this was all in all the demo from my side. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Ankit. Pleasure again to see this demo. I think you have covered most of the points here, and I think the people also got most of the points cleared, as well as they would have estimated how exactly Bittrex supports and helps to just work on or to develop an organization, or how flexible it is to save the time and increase the productivity and work from anywhere and everywhere. Thank you so much, Mr. Ankit. Now let us just check out the question and answers. So request the audience, the spectators, if you have any doubts or any questions, please update the message. We will read out the message from the comment box, wherein that will be useful to all the other customers also. In the meanwhile, let us call upon the other speakers. So Mr. Bhagwati, are you here?
Yes, Miss Deepa.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, Mr. Bhagwati. Mr. Bhagwati, see now altogetherly, I can say that the session has been like freezed up by the presentation as well as by the live demo. So request you to just add on onto the software wherein the people would get extra additional more clarity onto this. And beyond that, Mr. Bhagwati, I think this year like over recap should just like give the customers an attractive impression. So that is the reason why the additional resource person is added here. So request you to please give your over recap and then let us check onto the question and answer session.
Yeah, very good evening.
All right. I request you to introduce yourself, Mr. Bhagwati, and then move ahead. And spectators, request you to please update your questions or your doubts, wherein we are here to just help you out. And we will just check out what best we can just provide you the solution or discuss onto it. So it's over to you, Mr. Bhagwati.
Yeah, thank you, Deepa. I'm Bhagwati here from Raj Lakshmi Solutions Private Limited. I am in the handling the Bitrix team. Okay. So, in terms of I will talk about the Bitrix is a complete collaborations tools और in this scenario अभी का जो scenario चल रहा है इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा helpful रहा है Bitrix in this COVID scenario because this a virtual office, work from home, work from anywhere, everywhere. Yeah, Bitrix is a right solutions and for your organization because यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि आप अपने पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पूरा अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं, आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को पूरी ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं. कम्युनिकेशंस, या दिस इज अ नंबर 1 कोलैबोरेशन टूल्स इन द वर्ल्ड एंड बिकॉज 80 लाख ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर यूजिंग. एंड सबसे अच्छी चीज मैं आपको यहाँ बोलूंगा, वर्चुअल ऑफिस आप इसमें मैनेज कर पाओगे. आप कम्युनिकेशन, किसी भी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कम्युनिकेशन इज ए बिग चैलेंज कि हाउ यू विल इंटरेक्ट विथ योर पीपल, हाउ यू विल इंटरेक्ट विथ योर कस्टमर, हाउ यू विल इंटरेक्ट विथ योर partners, vendors, and everybody's. And time to time you will communicate automatically by automations. कि अभी किसी का birthday you will forget because relationship is a big matter in any business scenario. तो आपके marriage anniversary के automations, messages and like SMS, WhatsApp and emails and like any type of automation, like any lead will come and you will communicate, the notification will come and you will connect with the right time with your customers, like all type of communication. Any employee want to talk with you and your phone is not reachable, they will put on the WhatsApp, they will put on the message, they will put on the chat, they will put on the Facebook, everything in a single one platform. You have no need to move any other applications. You can communicate in the single application in the Bitrix. So this is a very good scenario. And third is inquiry management. किसी भी organization में inquiry की कोई problem नहीं है. People are doing a lot of activity like Facebook ads, like Google AdWords, like email marketing, like good website and good chatbot on the website, inquiry forms like Google Forms. Many of the things communicating, people are communicating through that. Okay, but people are unable to manage the inquiry. People are unable to identify what is the stages of the inquiry, and people are not aware about the who is communicating which inquiry, and people are not aware, identify the inquiry size of the inquiry and hierarchy wise who will handle these inquiries. So this is a big challenge of any organization. So you are putting effort, but you are not getting the result. This is a big challenge of any organization. So this is a inquiry management, like lead deals management tools. Okay. Now again, efficiency. Lot of tasks in the organization, lot of projects in the organization. People are doing lot of activities done by them, but analyzation is not there. कि मुझे एक particular task को करने में कितना time गया. A justification is not there. If you are doing something, you are an employee of the organization. Whole day आपने एक काम किया है, but you can't justify कि आपने क्या काम किया, कितना hours लगा. आपने पूरे दिन में 10 काम किए हैं, but you can't give the feedback and updations to your management. And deadline and timelining. There is not any mechanism in the many of the organizations. This is again big challenge. So yeah, task and project management is there. So lot of things are there. You can optimize your organization. You can run your organization. You can grow with the Bittrex in this scenario. And now digital market, everything is a digital. अभी क्या कोविड होने के बाद में पीपल डेफिनेटली सब कुछ चालू हो गया, एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल, पीपल आर गोइंग ऑफिस, बट माइंडसेट इज डिफरेंट, थिंग्स इज डिफरेंट, अप्रोच इज डिफरेंट, connectivity is different. Now people communicate online, people communicate throughout the digital media, people communicate online store. Many of the people want to generate, develop the online store or inquiry. Again inquiry will come, again order will come. How you will manage? You will go to another tools. You develop online store with one vendor, you develop website with another vendor, you develop CRM on a third vendor, and you are managing all tools. Now you are like working as a software company. No need. You can optimize, you can subscribe Bittrex, and you can enjoy with them on single one platform because there is a 35 tools. Okay, so this is your overall ideas of the Bittrex in the organization, how Bittrex is helpful in your organization. And in terms of the employee appraisals, employee award reward, and all things you can do throughout the Bittrex. Document management, yes, that is a Bittrex job. Security is there. You can manage the document. You can share the public link. You can share the private link. You can share with the departments and all the things. So there is a lot of things are there. ये एक मैं आपको ये बोलूँ Bittrex का अगर बोलने को दिया जाए पूरे tools पे तो definitely we have need a 5-10 days minimum we have need. And for the whole demonstration, definitely we have need of 5-10 days. So this overall time concern is also there. That's why I am talking overall summary. Ki any organization which is a very useful tools for the any of the organization for the future growth and optimize the things and identify the things and differentiate with the world like that. So thank you very much to connect with us, and Deepa, now we can take the questions.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati. Thank you so much. I think many things are much more clear here. So yes, Mr. Bhagwati, you can just check out your chat box. If you have any questions, request you to read up the question.
Yeah, there is a many of the questions, Mr. Suresh. How many invoice we can create and save for the future audit? Yeah, unlimited invoice you can create. You have no need of, there is no restriction and limitations. आप हमारे कोई भी commercial plan में जाओगे, you can create a. Yeah, I will add one more point, Mr. Suresh. A good things कि आपने कुछ एक point पर मुझे बोल दिया. Yeah, this is a collaboration tools है जहाँ पर in this industry there is not a single collaboration tools in the world, but every CRM is charging module based and user based pricing. But Bittrex is not charging like that. Bittrex is charging 6 user plan, 24 user plan, 50 user plan, and unlimited plan. Your recurring investment is a fixed. आप अपनी planning fixed recurring के साथ कर सकते हो and feature के साथ कर सकते हो. So this is a good tool. So there is not any restriction for the invoice, Mr. Suresh. Thank you. And now next question is from Mr. Kiran. Hi team, I have a few questions to ask. Whom shall I connect? Yeah, Mr. Kiran, thank you very much. आपने connect किया. You can connect with me directly. My number is in the chat box. Please contact with me directly. Okay. And next is Mr. Ravi. How can use video conferencing facility? Yeah, this is very simple. आपने chatbot देखा है हमारा. Mr. Ankit ने आपको chatbot दिखाया है. You can click on that and you can use that. Okay, you have no need to do anything. आप हमारे chatbot में जाइए, उधर options है audio call, video call and Zoom meeting. You click on that. Just I am sharing. आप एक बार देख भी ले. I will share with you. No problem. Yeah, here is HD video call. You can click on that and you can do that video call. You can click on that, you can do the HD video and voice call and Zoom meeting. Now, again, next questions. Just a minute, please. Next is invoice creation part. Can you help to understand it? Yeah, Mr. Chris, you can connect with me directly, no problem. We will help you out in the invoice creation part. You want to create your own template, definitely we will help you out. Okay, you can put your number also, we can connect with you. Okay, Mr. Kiran, you can also put your number in the chat box, we'll connect with you. Okay, Mr. Krishnamane, if single task in the managed by the multiple employees, that how it's handled. Yeah, there is a participate. Yes, you can add the multiple participate in the single task, and responsible person will be there, and observer will be there, and creator will be there. So multiple participate can handle the single one task. That is not any concern. Mr. Kiran, again, for a 5-seater international voice process outbound, would it be fine if you just purchase VoIP minutes? Yeah, you can purchase VoIP minute from the Bittrex itself, no problem. That option is there. एंड आपको थोड़ी सी यहाँ पर और ज़्यादा क्लियरिटी देनी पड़ेगी इंटरनेशनल वॉइस. आप किस इंटरनेशनल कंट्री, कौन सी कंट्री का वॉइस परचेज करना चाहते हो, इज द डिपेंड ऑन यू, एंड वॉइस प्राइसिंग इज ऑल्सो देयर. So you can contact with me directly for the detailed discussions. Okay. Again, Mr. Kiran, yeah, there's the same questions. Okay, I answered. Okay, guys, you can, yeah, PBX and everything. You, Mr. Kiran, you can connect with me directly because you have a lot of questions. Yeah, storage. Yeah, storage depends on the plan. Like we are talking standard plan, there is a 100 GB, and we are talking about the professional plan, there is a 1 TB storage. And could it be cloud and offline? Yeah, this is a cloud storage, and offline, yeah, you can connect with your Google Drive and Dropbox and Office 365 also. Okay, is there minor integration? Yeah, you can integrate your CRM with the any type of tools like third-party tools. Okay, this is a possible. The development resources center is there in the left panel, you can check that. Okay, planning, we are planning to add the employee in the start span of the time. Yeah, you can add the employees anytime. Okay, and now Mr. Ravi, multiple people work at the time like Google Sheet. Yeah, you can do that. This is a feature of your Google Sheet. You can open the Google Sheet in the drive. You can open the Office 365 in the drive, and multiple employee can do work on the single one invoice, a single one document like Google Sheet like that. Okay, Mr. Akash, our client data security with you guys also possible. Yeah, client data security, yeah, there is a 16 servers, and that all details is already on the Bittrex website. Security perfect, then no worry. Okay, and you can restrict your IP base. You can access these tools in the IP base. Okay, this is in your hand. Okay, and next, visit recording कैसे होती है, Mr. Contacts. Yeah, you can click on the, yeah, if you are using the mobile and you are using in the desktop application, there is a visit option. You click on that, allow the microphone, and you start communications, and everything will record automatically. No, nothing is difficult. It's a very simple. You click on the visit button. If you are facing any problem, you can contact me directly, Mr. Contact Copiers. And Ravi, I am talking about the scheduled meetings. Yeah, you can schedule your meeting like Zoom. Yeah, that Zoom is also integrated. I already show you. Okay, Mr. Jayas, in the Bittrex integration to Tally ERP and other software, yeah, you can integrate your Bittrex with any other software, any software. There's not any concern. Okay, Mr. Kiran, we are talking about the US Canada. Yes, US Canada is available in the Bittrex. You can connect. And mobile app, yes, Mr. Mobile app is available. Yeah, Mr. Srijit, yeah. Hi, we are expecting issue with the report, as when the report is sort by date range, it's just showing the all data but not. Yeah, this is if you are facing any issue, Mr. Srijit, you can contact with me directly, and you can put your number with your queries in this chat. Okay, so definitely our team will connect, and I will connect with you directly. And when Bittrex is going to new version, Mr. Ravi is talking about the new version. Okay, every time Bittrex is upgrading himself, every month they are releasing a lot of things. The roadmap is very clear. आप Bittrex के website पे जाएंगे Mr. Ravi, तो roadmap is very clear. Time to time, what is upcoming in the next 2021, वो आज ही आपको पता लग जाएगा. So that not worry, everything is very clear. Okay. And Mr. Srijit, yes, you are talking about the PBX, PBX in our on-premise. Can we connect with the Bittrex? Yes, you can connect with the PBX. without costing anything a part of that. Definitely, this is out of the plans. Okay, that integration is depend on your telephony vendor. Okay, you can connect with them, and you want to connect with us, you can. Yeah, we are also providing the same solutions. You can connect with us also. Yeah, Ms. Deepa, I think all questions is clear. Anybody, you guys, people, you have any questions, you can connect with me. Please put the questions. Okay. And Mr. Jayes, how many minimum number is required for the sales lead generation in the organization for the CRM in the Bittrex? 2 user, you can subscribe 2 user plan. You can subscribe 2 user plan. That is not any concern, Mr. Jayes. Yeah. Now, if people, if there are any questions, please put them. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bhagwati. So yes, it is the time wherein we are supposed to come to a conclusion. So we have crossed out our time limit. But anyways, if you have any questions, you can update us. Or beyond that, let me just tell you now itself, check out in the comment box. You have our YouTube channel link. Please request you to click the link now itself, because once we end up this chat, you will not be able to get the link because the call will be disconnected, wherein the chats will not be available for you. So request you to please click onto the link now itself, and please take down the contact numbers also, because once we leave this call, we will not be able to see the chat box. So request you to please do it on an conscious mode. So please take out the contact numbers and click onto the YouTube link, as well as subscribe our channel. And at the same time, if you have any more questions onto it, request you to please connect us onto the contact number, and you can get all the details, as well as you can come to know about the offers also, specifically by understanding your industries, your sectors, and your style of working and your way of working. So this is what I can say specifically by understanding your sector and your organization. We just come to an idea that in what way we can provide you an offer, in what way we can just comfortably provide you the software with the flexibility wherein you can work and handle the situations and scenarios in a very good and executed way. And at the same time, I must say, this is the scenario of remote and virtual. And even might be the pandemic or COVID scenario, but after this also there might be chances wherein the virtual work would get importance. So in accordance to that, let me just inform you that request you to please connect us to handle the virtual scenarios also and make your work flexible, and as well as increase the productivity. Whether it's a pandemic or any kind of situation, the productivity should never affect. So it is every individual's responsibility, as well as the business owner's responsibility, that you are supposed to take up precautionary measures such that you can work at any time or from anywhere without any kind of distraction. Let us hold our hands together and avoid these distracted situations and the interruptions in our work as well as in our life, because everything is directly or indirectly related to one another. All right, so that's it for today. So thank you so much, Ms. Lohita, for the great presentation here. We really enjoyed your pretty cool presentation. And thank you so much, Ankit, for your demo. We enjoyed your demo and understood most of the concepts here. And Mr. Bhagwati, it was really an add-on bonus wherein it really helped us to understand the situation and scenarios. And it would be incomplete if I don't thank the participants and the supporters to make this webinar a grand success. So thanks to everyone, and see you all in the next webinar. And as I already said, you do connect us, do subscribe and follow our social media networks, as well as the digital marketing. Encourage the digital marketing, like a situation and scenarios of Raj Lakshmi Solutions Private Limited, wherein we can get much more flexible offers, as well as get much more flexible free and free trainings, as well as webinars for you to support you and your organization. That's it for today. Thank you everyone and see you all in the next webinar. Stay tuned, and this webinar will be getting recorded, and this will be uploaded in the YouTube channel also. So if you have any doubts or questions, you can just go to the recap, as well as you can see and check the YouTube channel also for the recorded video of this session. That's it for today. Thank you so much, and we really enjoyed your company. I hope you also enjoyed the webinar. So see you soon in the next webinar. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.